Hey guys, this is episode 5 of my Bitcoin and cryptocurrency series. So I've hit 100k, which is rather nice. I have been here twice before, as I sort of mentioned earlier in the series. Sort of been invested for quite a long while. So at the end of 2017, I had the sort of big run up to all-time highs. And sort of June, July last year, sort of went on a bit of a rally sort of mid-year, and I think this portfolio was up to about 120k. And then sort of dropped back down again and sort of hit the low around March time this year in the crisis. So all of this gain has really come sort of since that low. But yeah, sort of kind of thinking there's a bit of a crash coming in sort of general stocks. And I think sort of like last time in March, might not be as bad as then, but it will sort of drag everything down with it as people sort of sell things to meet liquidity. So I would see crypto and gold sort of coming down a little bit with that. You always sort of had it in past recessions. There's not just one big down and then up from there. You often get sort of a big drop and then a rally and then maybe another drop, and it sort of level out for a bit. They sort of say, recessions will last about a year and a half, and we've only been 4 months, so I think people are getting a little bit over enthusiastic that it's all over. But yeah, so 5,000 or 4,000 gain on this portfolio for the week. Most of it has come from a few coins. So Bitcoin had a reasonable gain, about £600 on the week. So continue to see that go up. It tends to lead sort of the altcoins. Ethereum's doing well, up about £20. Very volatile, sort of had a dip a couple of days ago. A lot of the others are sort of relatively flat. Cardano had a little bit of a move, sort of 10%. So that's pretty good. And couple more. XRP sort of been doing really badly for the last look at sort of the longer term. It's just been coming down sort of versus Bitcoin value certainly. But yeah, they're starting to have a little bit of a pump. So it's sort of done nothing for the last year really. And Dash had a little bit of a pump this week, sort of £10, which isn't bad. I think it still gets a lot of use in South America. So yeah, we'll carry on as adoption goes and see where it goes from there. And then my sort of smaller positions, don't really sort of pay too much attention to those. You got the Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, just copies of Bitcoin. Do think these are sort of going to eventually die out. And then BitTorrent right at the bottom, which I get some free every month for holding Tron. Tron sort of still seems to be had a little bit of an up move, but not doing too much. I haven't seen much news recently. But yeah, so that is the portfolio. Similar to my ISA series yesterday, sort of expecting to see maybe a bit of a pullback sometime this month. So wouldn't be surprised to sort of maybe even not be at 100k next week or the week after. But yeah, long term still pretty bullish. And we'll see where we go next week. So like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below if you got any queries on any of the coins, or sort of how to buy. Yeah, certainly leave them there, and see you soon.